Hello everyone, welcome to the Galactic Seabass channel. My name is Sebastian. Thank you very much for tuning in today. Today we're going to be going through some old footage that I rummaged from the archives during my trip to Europe in 2015. I filmed it all on my GoPro and I sort of put it to the side, never had a home for it, and I decided that I'd utilize today just to kind of, put it to some music that my buddy Andrew made under Soul Catalyst. As you've probably heard before if you checked out this channel. If you're new, please subscribe if you like what you see. And yes, so I hope you enjoy the video, and I'll see you afterwards.
There we go.
that was one of the craziest trips of my life. Thank you so much for tuning in just to watch some of the old GoPro footage. It was really nice to relive some of those memories while I got to make this video. Again, if you liked what you saw, please subscribe, hit that like button, and I have plenty of other content on the channel if you'd like to check it out. Feel free to browse. There's a lot to see. Thank you very much for tuning in to the Galactic Seabass channel. My name is Sebastian, and we'll see you guys next time. Take care, and peace out.